Is that weird?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, look at my hair.
How come you look like me?
And that's why we changed.
Ooh, you made me look pretty. Look at my big head. Let me see. Look at my big, pretty head. How come you look like your mom?
Why?
Look, tilt your head a little bit like this. Look, you look beautiful.
How you look like me?
Wait, lay back. Okay, there you go.